tayo on pepper sauce.
Pepper sauce.
Okay.
Sounds
Good.
Start na si Kuya. Sige, you can ask questions to Chef. Cover your mouth.
Right?
So good nag-review si Sir. We are a low-carber family. Hello. Kung makavisit mo sa akong profile, Delicia Taxadvocate, low-carb advocate. That is why we prefer choosing steak instead of cakes and pastas. Pero naginihatag sa ako ang cake. Thank you so much, Ate Joanna.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you. So, ang steak kay protein kaayo. High protein po siya.
It looks so
Yes.
JD is so amazed with